Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to use location-based optimized charging. Optimized battery charging for iPhone 15 and later is location-based feature that learns your charging habit to reduce battery wear over time. To use it, ensure location service and system services, especially system customization and significant locations, are enabled in your iPhone settings, as the feature relies on those to identify your usual charging locations like home and work. The iPhone then uses the machine learning to pause charging at 80% until it predicts you will need the full charged. Firstly, let's focus on location learning. Your iPhone uses location services and significant locations to identify places where you spend a lot of time and charge your phone, such as home and workplace. Make sure that location is enabled. Now, let's go to habit recognition. Over time, and after several charging sessions, at least 9 over 5 hours, the phone learns your regular charging patterns. Let's focus on the next step, charging pause. When it identifies regular charging routine, this feature optimizes battery charging and will pause charging at 80%. Now, to optimize battery charging, go to Settings and Battery. Now, go to Battery Health. And make sure optimized battery charging is turned on. Here you can find cycle count and battery health. Here you can find optimized battery charging. Next, make sure to lower the charge limit to 80% to preserve battery health. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.